What is going on, everybody? Old School Gamer here, and to prove that I'm doing 2 videos in one day, I just did wireless controller video, and so now I am doing a I don't even know. I basically got a new laptop battery for my laptop, so now I need to take out my old laptop battery. Here's to even prove it doesn't work, okay? Like, I've charged it, everything. It doesn't want to like turn on or anything. So that's just to prove that it's just broken. So now, okay, old one is now out. The new one is right here. It even says here, do not load or transport the package if it's damaged, which means I have a nice, brand new, healthy battery. Okay, package is opened. There it is. What is this? Changes to the lithium batteries. Okay, so I don't know if I need any of this styrofoam stuff or this paper or this box, but here it is. So I'm gonna now, how do I open this thing? There it is. Slide it out. So here's the new one, and there's the old one. Pretty much similar, I think, if not similar or the exact same. It should be, which means I should now be able to slide it in. Okay. Ow, that was not good. So if the computer is dead, oh, there's proof it turned on. Oh, no way. Okay, so here is the how do I open this now with one hand? I don't know. Bubble wrap. Okay, here is the, whoa, okay. Here is the adapter for it. So that should work. Does it fit? There should be a plug-in on this side somewhere. There it is. As you can see here, I've got pretty much like just under half of battery left in this new battery. So now I got to unwire everything, which is hard with one hand. I'll see if I can do it. Let's see here. Come on. There we go. So now I need this part in here. Is it backwards? Yeah, it's backwards. Okay, I need to use two hands now because I need to get Did they send the wrong? No, just tight. Okay, so now I'm going to plug it in, which means my GameCube has to be unplugged. Plug in my battery. Battery's now plugged in and charging. Yes, okay, this is good. Another step in the road, YouTube. It's good to have you back, old bud. I had this computer since grade 6. I'm surprised it's still around. This is going to be amazing. So, thank y'all again for another video if you have tuned in. And that is it. Again, until next time.